don't know who you are, but subscribe! Diba?
Post na.
Okay, this is Yash. Okay, this is James. Magnolia Makalatya.
Naamis ako, what the fuck?
We're in the Philippines. Hello. My name is Mark Jefferson P. Pilapil and my friends.
And I thank you.
Okay,
Bravo!
Sorry guys, and you're so dumb and I don't wanna subscribe you.
I will teach you how to speak Filipino.
We will do today is, I don't know what we do today, but
It's raining in our house right
raining in our house.
Show them it's raining to prove it.
Okay, it's raining shit. Sorry.
Go.
Yeah, raining. Good raining.
It's raining right now.
Yeah. Raining right now. Diwan. Magbig na lang kung Tagalog, mabis.
It's raining right now.
Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Hallelujah!
It's raining right now. I'm sitting a phone.
Yash.